Hello, my name is HexadecimalCodeWarrior. This is an application that I made in CodeWarrior. I use a DIL and 7-segment display, and basically over here you can see that the 4 bits when basically corresponds to, over here it shows the hexadecimal value basically, because this counts to 0 to 15, or yeah. So we got 8, 9, then we'll go to A, B, and then all the way up to F, E, F, and then I'll go back to G. I'm sorry, 0. I'll go back to 0, and then you can see the bits, the equivalent bits. So this equals 3, 4, 5. So this is kind of cool. And A, F, and it should go to 0, 0, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and basically just, yeah. So it's cool. It's got binary and it's got the hexadecimal. So yeah, it's kind of fun. Now if I, looks like yeah, it's still going. Yeah, basically that's it. That's the application. I have this basically just runs a loop. So take a look at the code real quick. Whoops. Okay, that was a completely different screen for some reason. I don't know why this one closed. But yeah, so my code should be here. Okay. So what I did, there's obviously 2 ports there, and I have the patterns from 0 to F for the 7-segment display stored here, and basically I set that this to equal whatever this is passed in. Basically returns, so if it returns 1 or 0, it will return this, which looks like I have hexadecimal values. So yeah, because that's much easier to work with. And yeah, that's basically, well, I did this so that it shows on the display, so that it would show the way it shows on the display, basically, because the 7-segment display takes 8 bits, and so that's why you see these 2. This is the first 4 bits because it's hexadecimal, and this is the value for the other 4 bits. So if you saw on the how we had the 4 bits, the first 4 bits weren't used because yeah, that's how it is. Basically this will count up to F. As you can see, it will count up to F here, and on this side for those 4 bits, which wasn't used because we only counted up to F, on the right side, and basically and I wanted to display the value on the right side with the 7-segment display. So yeah, that was kind of cool and fun, and that's all it does really. So yeah, just a delay obviously, and that's it. It loops forever. This is always true, and that's it. Yeah, so if anybody's learning binary or hexadecimal, maybe this was helpful. Anyways, thanks for watching.